How to change app icon on Telegram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your app icon on Telegram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Telegram app, then tap on menu in the top left corner, then you tap on settings, then you scroll down and tap on chat settings. Again scroll down and here you will see app icons. You will see here 3 free icons and 3 premium icons. So choose which icon you want to set and your app icon will be changed. So this is how you can change your Telegram app icon. Thanks for watching.